All right, guys, welcome to today's Booty Buster. So for those of you that don't normally work out your glutes, this should give you a nice little fire in your rear. And we're also going to really try to work through those muscles, making them get to fatigue by doing multiple reps. So feel free to turn on one of my Spotify playlists. Anything would be fun for this. And join me as we move together. So we're gonna start standing just to kind of warm up the entire lower body. And as we stand up, we're just gonna work through a few squats. So I'm gonna turn to the side and just want you to drop your tailbone down and then straight up squeeze your glutes. So as you come forward in your hips, really engage the hip flexors, push the pelvis forward, and then lift the tail up as you stand up. Good. Let's do just 4 more of those. 1, 2, 3, last one. Good, and then 4. Now stay low in that squat. Hold it, we're just gonna raise our feet. So I'm gonna rotate towards you so you can see me, and we're just lifting 1 foot at a time. And as we lift 1 foot at a time, I want you to feel your glutes get active. So you're gonna notice left butt, right butt, and one butt's gonna work a little bit more than the other. For 5, 4, 3, get lower, 2, and then 1. From here, you're gonna tap your kneecap right behind your calf and switch. Kneecap, switch, kneecap, switch. And then feel free to go a little bit faster, but I want you to stay really low here. Good. For 4, switch sides. 3, switch sides. 2, switch sides, 1 more on each side. Good. And then hold right here in center. Turn those toes out. Exhale, squat down and hold, and just start to pulse. So if you need to put your hands at your hips, you may. Otherwise, make sure you just keep them right here. And just start to feel your legs in a little bit different fashion and your glutes. Good. For 4. Stay low and pulse. 3. 2. Exhale, drive through your heels, stand tall. Nice. Now we're going to lunge in one direction. Doesn't matter which one you do because we're going to do both. So pivot for me. Squeeze your back glute a lot. Exhale, down, and then bring it forward. Exhale, back, down. Bring it forward. Back, down, forward, back, down, forward. Just 4 more. 4, 3, so step, bend, tap. Last one. And then exhale, pivot to the other side. Again, same movement. Lunge, tap, back. Lunge, tap, back. Stay low. Lunge, tap, back, lunge, tap. Last 4. Lunge, tap, bring it back. 3, tap, bring it back. Last 2, and then last 1. Nice. Pivot back to center, wide-legged stance again. Find those pulses. We're just really warming up that lower body. First 2 or so minutes in. For 4, 3, 2, and then drive through those legs. Nice. Let's have a seat. Have a seat down on your tail. And then from here, I want you to slowly roll yourself all the way down. Raise your feet to the sky, and then use your core, but also your butt to pick your butt up off the ground. So squeeze your butt as you come up, and do that by turning your toes out, and then your heels touch. For 4, 3, last 2, and then exhale 1, bring those feet down. Raise your hips up nice and high for me, and then hold here. So this static hold is gonna be the first hold that we do before we reach a leg up. Good, stay with me, place your palms down. So in this bridge pose, come off of your neck by pushing to the back of your head. You're here for 4. You should start to feel a little bit of burn in your legs. 3, 2, and then exhale. Let's go ahead and push our left leg up. Exhale, height of the right knee, bring it in. So it's up, forward, in. Up, forward, in, and this right leg is static, and the glute is super active. Last 4, reach forward, pull it in. Good. 3, last 2, and then you have 1 more, and then hold right here. Good. Now drop the butt, push up, just using your right leg. 8, 7, 6, we go slow, 5, 4, 3, 2, stay up, and now we pulse, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, both feet flat, hips up really, really, really high. So reactivate both those legs evenly. Hold here, just that static freeze. Good, take your time, breathe in, big breath out. And then before we come all the way down, we're gonna do that second side. So go ahead and push your right leg forward. Find your knee height parallel. In, up, down. Good, drag in, push up, bring it down. Stay static in the left. In, up, and down. Last 4, push, knee height. Last 3, push, knee height. Last 2, push. One more time, drag in, up, parallel those knees, hold it, and lift. So you're gonna push up and down, up and down. For 8, keep it slow. 7, use your whole foot when you push down, so that way your toes and your heel are working. Last 4, 3, 2, and then we're gonna add those pulses for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold up. Bring your right foot to join, hips up really, really high, and then lower. Bring them back up together, push through your heels, and at the very top, I want you to reactivate the squeeze of your glutes, okay? So 8, big squeeze, 7, 6, 5, last 4 here, you should feel a lot of heat, 3, last 2, now stay up and then just squeeze your glutes for 8, 7, keep your hips really high for me, good, 4, 3, 2, and 1, lower down. Nice work, pull those knees in for me nice and tight. Exhale your legs back to the sky. Now that we've worked that butt a lot, heels in, toes out, and then again, push up, push up. So learn, how can you use your butt to lift your butt? And if it's all in your abs, transfer that weight to your tail. For 8, 7, 6, stay with me, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, rock yourself up to seated, nice and strong. Flip over onto your hands and your knees. Strong arms here. You're gonna inhale, raise your right leg out. Good. Exhale, circle it around. 3 of those. 1, 2, 3, and then reverse it. 1, 2, and then 3. Now bring it out and in, and out and in. To make this harder, feel free to add a band around your thighs. For 4, 3, 2, now we're gonna make it harder here on 1. We're gonna curl our left toes, lift our knee. We're gonna go out and in. For 8, 7, 6, you should feel core, arms, shoulders, and butt. 4, 3, 2, exhale, put your knees down on 1, and again, bring your left knee out, and then circle 1, 2, reverse for 3, that's 1, 2, 3, bring that knee out and in, and again, to make it harder, put that band around your legs, although plank with that band is going to be super hard. Last 4, engage your core. 3, we're going to curl those right toes, pick it up. Last 1, keep that knee out, curl the right toes up, in and out. Nice. 8. Feel your core and your butt work together for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and plank pose on 1. Good. Really fire your butt here by just bringing that heel straight up into the sky. Option 1, drop your knees and you'll lift your heel back just like this. So you're in a knee down plank pushing back. Option 2, staying on those toes. 4 more each leg. Good, drive your heel straight up into the sky. Last one on the right, last on the left, and then exhale, lower down to your bellies. Good, last exercise here, you're gonna bring your hands down, put your head down, bend your knees, feet to the sky, open up your knees. Now you can look straight down, just don't look forward because that puts tension on your neck. And then without using your upper body, you're just gonna lift your butt by utilizing your feet and your quads. Good, 8, slow, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold it up and pulse, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, legs out, and then bring them in. Good. You're going up, out, in, and tap. Up, out, in, and tap. Lift up, out, in, and tap. Final 4, open, close, down, 3. Last 2, lift, open, close. Last 1, lift, open, close, and down. Pick those legs up and then swim it out. Good, just those lower legs. If we get the upper body involved, then we won't focus as much on our glutes, so just run, run, run. Good, 30 seconds until the end, so just feel this effort, and then you're all done. Stay strong here, breathe in and breathe out with me. Good, about 20 seconds left. Flex or point your toes, pick one so you have super, super active legs. And then finish strong with me. We have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and rest. Good work, guys. Push back to child's pose so that you can stretch out your low back and your tailbone. Exhaling the forehead down, breathing in and breathing out. Good work. Feel free to pair this with another one of my videos on this YouTube channel. So anything, maybe a longer yoga sequence or another upper body or lower body workout. And I hope you have an awesome day and your butt's a little bit sore tomorrow. Thanks, guys. Way to work.